Thank you for joining us. Our topic of discussion today is on family and domestic violence in South Africa. Unfortunately, each form of family violence begets interrelated forms of violence. The cycle of abuse is often continued from exposed children into their adult relationships and finally to the care of the elderly. Domestic violence and family violence includes a range of abuse, including economic, physical, sexual, emotional, and psychological towards children, adults, and elders. Domestic violence causes worsened psychological and physical health, decreased quality of life, decreased productivity, and in some cases, mortality. So what is a protection order? It is an order issued by a court at your request. It orders a person with whom you have had a domestic relationship to stop the abuse. It may also prevent the person from getting help from any other person to commit such acts against you. An interim protection order can also be issued at any time of the day or night for your protection. You have the right to apply for a protection order at the nearest police station, magistrate's court, or lay a criminal charge at the police station and apply for a protection order. So, who can apply for a protection order? Any victim of domestic violence can apply for a protection order. If a child is too young to do so, a parent or guardian or any person acting on behalf of someone who is responsible for them but with their permission can do so. So, what if an abuser disobeys a protection order? You have an option of phoning the South African Police Services. Thereafter, a statement will be taken from you. You can provide the police with the warrant of arrest you received together with a protection order. And if you are in any immediate danger, the abuser will be arrested. Alternatively, you may contact a legal representative or the nearest court. If you require any further assistance in respect of a domestic violence protection order, please feel free to contact our offices and a legal representative will gladly assist you. Thank you for watching.